He's just busy, busy. We're at the doctor's office for her 2-month appointment, and she just weighed in at 11 pounds 4 ounces and 23 inches, which the weight is in the 60th percentile and the height is in the 70th percentile. So she's a healthy, healthy girl, like you can see right here. And she asked if Anna smiled, and I said yes. And she asked if Anna cooed, and I said yes. And there's a sneeze for you. And there's a smile. Hi, are you happy? Hi. Hi, honey. Oh, really? Oh, yeah. Hi, Anna Grace. I love you. Hi. She's just being super cute, moving all over the place and showing her strength. So I'm going to take a quick little video of it. That's the warrior pose. You can be still now. Oh. Okay, now. Are you getting done now? Hey. Hey.